everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a hot minute, but life has been crazy. But I'm really excited today. I'm finally gonna be sharing with you my October daily plans for 2020 and also my kit. So I don't have the album right now. It's being shipped to me. I requested a custom made album, a house journal, a junk journal made by Patchwork Paper Co. And it's a custom made album. I selected the papers. So I decided this year to do something completely different, and I'm gonna be doing a non-traditional Halloween. So as you can see, my kit has a lot of non-traditional items. So I have some Halloween things as well, but I really wanted to keep it non-traditional. If you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you know a little bit about me, I kind of started the kick for October Daily back in 2015, and I just love seeing how it's been growing, and a lot of more people have joined in on the movement, and that was the whole point. That's why I did that video back in 2015, to get more people doing it, to make it a thing. And I'm so excited to see how much it's grown, especially in 2020, which I'm really surprised. More people are, I feel like, getting on board. A lot of planner people, a lot of traditional scrapbook people are getting into October Daily for this year to document this crazy time we're living in and the month of October. So I'm really excited about that. So anyway, let's just get started. I'm just gonna start showing you what I collected from my stash. I'm really gonna be focusing on just enjoying the month, keeping track of everything I do in a little journal. This is the little journal I bought this year, of course, Haunted House. And all I did was just added some little bits here. And I just write down what I did, and then pictures that I want to document that are on my phone. So that's what I've been doing, so that I can really enjoy this month as much as I can. These are all types of embellishments and ephemera bits from Maggie Holmes. I mixed everything in here. There's Magical Forest, there's Heritage, there's anything else I can find in my stash that I feel like would be fall type kind of colors. And of course there's a little fox here from, I can't get it out right now, but that little fox is from Magical Forest from Crepe Paper. I mostly have stuff from the Marigold ephemera pack, as well as I think I have some stuff in here from, well, I know I have some stuff in here from Fresh Bouquet, but this is pretty much all, I believe, Maggie Holmes. I have some random little things that I want to use, some bats, because I am going to be adding Halloween into it as well. So it's going to be a vintage, non-traditional Halloween album. It's hard to explain. It's going to look nice all together, but it's a little hard to explain right now what it's going to look like. But I have this little pocket I made with scraps and decorative wrapping paper. I have this leaf applique, which is going to look really nice with the different florals from Maggie Holmes and such. I have this little paper clip thing I made. I just added an S charm, super simple. And then I have this little scrap of paper that I made in my Patreon for one of my videos. I have a bingo card, a bingo paper. I have this vintage, this is a cute little paper doily I have this little 33¢. I have this little tally witch thing. How freaking cute. I got this all off of different sellers on Instagram. Little witch hazel label. And then here is from Fresh Bouquet. So I have the acetate pieces. I went through the ephemera pack and I only selected the items that I might want to use. I didn't take everything because I know I'm not going to use everything. That's one trick I really recommend you doing when you want to work on October Daily. Don't just pull out the full collection, you know, really go through it, really break it down, and only select the items you like and you know you might want to use, like, so you don't get bombarded with a lot of product. Because when it's time to sit down and work on your album, you want it to be quick and easy. And if you're, you know, spending an hour sorting through all of the stuff you own, it's never gonna get there. It's never gonna get done. So I have some tickets here. I have a vintage playing card, which I thought would be really nice. I have some scraps of vintage or antique piano paper, some more scraps here. I have this little meme from Beetlejuice. I have Beetlejuice cards that I'm gonna maybe want to use. I'll just put this back in here. I have a treat bag, vintage playing card, vintage seed packet. Isn't this cute? A vintage haunted house. Again, really focusing on the house theme stuff. since I'll be living on my own for the first time. And then I have library cards, some antique paper. This is from the 1940s book thing I have. More tickets. I also have these vintage playing cards. I thought they would be really cool. An S for my name. Some toe tags from Pebbles. And then these are another tag. Then I have some vintage treat bags, and then some cash. This is also from here. Then I have two doilies. I might not use them, but just left it there. So floral pieces. This is from Sunny Days. I have the Fresh Bouquet clips. This is from Heritage, I believe, or Flourish. I'm not quite sure. I have my avocado dyed paper. This is a piece of vintage wallpaper that I just have in my stash, so I might want to use that up. Some more music note paper, vintage ledger, little envelopes that I made. This is a French poetry page. This is Tim Holtz wallpaper. Again, more house stuff. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go through this pretty quickly. This is all from Heritage. Some scraps of paper that I might want to use. I went through my scrap bin. It's a bunch of different things. This is from a book with spooky stories. And this one is called Spooks Bones. I thought that was cute. Might want to use that. And then back here I have the Heritage collection, Fresh Bouquet. I also have stickers that I might want to use in here from Magical Forest. I have one sheet from Sunny Days because I thought I wanted to use the Let the Journey Begin, Happy Little Moments. The birdie I can use. And then this is from Magical Forest. So these are like the non-traditional, some of my non-traditional items. Let me put this away and I'll be back to show you the rest. Okay, so now for the different stickers and embellishments, I have stuff from Fresh Bouquet and Marigold. So I have the Marigold bows. I think these are so beautiful, and if they weren't so damn expensive, I'd buy another pack. I have one sticker sheet from the Marigold, and I think I want to use obviously the squirrel, the birds, the florals. There's just a lot of the houses. Just a lot of really pretty things I can use. I just absolutely love this owl. I fell in love with it. It's one of my favorite elements of this collection. And I love all the animals, so I'm really happy with it. And then I have the puffy embossed stickers. I also have them for Fresh Bouquet. I have the chipboard pieces. I'm not quite sure if I'll use the chipboard pieces as they are. I like to remove the backing because they're really thick sometimes. But I do like the little here, the Special Life of Bees. And I think that's really perfect because Serena bee, so I kind of want to use that. And so I have this here. I have the sticker book as well. I'll just do a quick little flip through if you haven't seen it yet. So a lot of like little elements that I can use, really pretty stuff here. I love this font. This is one of my favorites. It's so small and it's perfect. It's black with little white specks on it. It's perfect. And then I have here stuff from the Cozy Days collection from Simple Stories, which I absolutely love as well. And it kind of goes with the whole color scheme that I have going on here, the non-traditional colors. I went through the ephemera pack and I only removed the items I know I'm going to want to use or try to use at least. So I just have them here. I have the chipboard elements, and then I have the Simple Stories Cozy Days sticker sheet. Again, really fun. I like the different words. And one of my favorite elements from this collection, they have like a little candle in a jar, and it's so cute. So here are some papers. Let me just go through this first, and then I'll do the papers last. So I have Fresh Bouquet stickers. And then I have these stickers from this year's spooky collection or something like that from Pebbles. So definitely can use these. In October, one of my best friend's daughters is gonna be turning 2, so I have some birthday stickers to document that. I have some stickers here from Willow Lane and Open Book. I think it's Open Book. Yeah. And then I have, what's in here? I have some like bigger sheets. I have this vintage floral page. I thought I might want to use up some of these beautiful tulips and flowers. And then I have more of that avocado dyed paper. This is from a printable from AC Digitals. I forgot which collection. And I have these printables as well. This is from KB and Friends. So that's how I work. Like, that's what I need, you know, around me. I need a condensed, curated collection kit so that I can work with knowing what I have. Because going through your items, not just picking certain things here and there, like actually going through your items really helps you know what you have and keep the things fresh in your mind. So when you're ready to sit down and craft and work on your pages, you'll have a recollection of like, okay, this is in there, I can get that ephemera piece. So the smaller condensed kits really help me, and I hope that helps you as well. So I have the cut apart here for Marigold. Again, I'm not going to use all of these. My paper trimmer is packed up in a box right now. I'm gonna cut this apart and only use what I'm gonna need. The back looks like that, in case you're wondering. Again, same concept. I'm only gonna cut this apart and use what I want, but I love the back as well. Same concept here. Love, love, love this background page. It's so beautiful. This is from the Cozy Days collection. This is Halloween Market from Cartabella, and I'm only gonna use a couple of these, so I still have to cut these up. Okay, so now let's get into the Halloween stuff. Paper pad here in case I want to cut anything up. I have half of a sticker sheet of the puffies, but I also have a full puffy set too somewhere in case I need some of them that aren't showing here. Same concept, I have this one that's like half used, but I still have another full new one here in case I want some items that are no longer on this. Same thing here, I have a half-used sticker sheet as well as, I believe I have two in here. Two different packs, I don't even know. There's more stickers in here. Then I have one of the chipboard items again in case I want to use some of these stuff here. Okay, and I almost forgot to share this. This is a little bucket that I have full of Halloween ephemera. So I went through all of the ephemera packs that I have. So this is Tim Holtz goodies that I want to use. This is some stuff from Witch Hazel. I have some random things. I have a bow, some little clips that I didn't use all of these last year. So I have some from that I can still use. These are from obviously Hey Pumpkin. And then I have just a bunch, a mix of things in here. I have some cut files, some ephemera bits that I might want to include from Hey Pumpkin, just a bunch of random stuff. This Hello I might want to use, and just a bunch, like I said, a random selection of items that I went and grabbed from my stash of ephemera and bits for October. I have Freddy Krueger sticker here. It's not really, you know, vintagey or anything, but I'm planning on watching it this year, hopefully, so maybe I'll use that. This is a tag from one of the items that I bought. Pajama bottoms. I have some tags, little cards, some pockets, some random bits and bobs here. And this is some more ephemera bits from the collection from Hey Pumpkin. So I have all of that in here. I have my paper cakes from my shop, different embellishments and stickers and whatnot in here, so I'm definitely going to want to use that, especially some of my little word stickers, so I have that in here as well. So that's paired with everything else that I have going on is my October daily kit. I'm really excited for this year for many, many reasons, but also because I'm doing the non-traditional Halloween, and I'm really excited to see how that turns out. I feel like I still probably need to go through a couple more Halloween-y items. I know I have some more cut aparts and stuff somewhere from KB and Friends, so I'm gonna go through that. But this is majority of my kit and what I'll be using for October Daily this year. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are doing October Daily, please consider joining my October Daily Facebook group. I'll have it linked below in the description box. And yeah, tag me everywhere. I want to see your pages, send me your videos, send me your pictures on Instagram or whatever. I'd love to see and follow along with your October Daily journey. All right, everyone, take care, stay spooky, stay safe, and enjoy October. Bye.